to know, yeah.
Mama, I wanna be great and I want diamonds on my chain. I want you to have a fancy car, mention private plane. She saw that for several legs. No, you told me look up and name.
What is up, guys? Ifn here. I'm Camron. Today we're in Detroit. How do you open this? Oh, do you need the key? Got the key. Put it in. Perfect. Let's go. Gotta get the key out. Coming? And lock it. Never drove one of these in my life. So, should be pretty fun. Just twist the throttle and go. I mean, get my phone and credit card all set up and rip it. Well, guess you need what is this one or that one? Two doors. Don't know where to go. But we need a driver's license. So I'm gonna go up and get a driver's license. Gonna set my little phone up real quick and get a couple clips in this nice little bird right here. Never rode one in my life. Get the brake, got the little nice little gas thing right here. Gas brake, but that's these things are torquey. Quick little review on this thing. These things are front wheel drive, so I guess not going right now, but it is fast, dude. This thing pulls me back more than my dirt bike. So I don't know where I can go, but I'm gonna try to do a couple more tricks. Maybe I can't do a manual. But, I'll do some tricks real quick. One hand bird, pretty sketchy and hard. Oh. My hands are frozen right now, holy crap. And this is probably gonna add up super fast, so I'm gonna probably get a couple more clips and be done, because I'm not trying to have my whole bank account drained. I wonder if I can do a quick burnout. I'm gonna go all the way down this alley real quick and ride this thing, see what else there is. But it's pretty sweet. My hands are on. Okay, so here comes a street right here. So here's where I'm at in Detroit. No idea. I think we're right on Woodward right here. So let's go on Woodward real quick and see what. Oh, it's driving off. Dude, this throttle's sticky. It needs some lube. Change up location real quick. Now we're on Woodward. Let's go. I thought the back will spawn, not the front one, but I don't know what to do on this thing. What else can I do on these sweet little bird things? I was doing a quick burn. Burn out. Just warmed up real quick, went to the bakery right there, got a couple of cookies, because you know I'm the cookie monster. So I'm gonna check how much money I'm wasting right here on this bird real quick, and then go warm my hands up, because you know I got frostbite. They are numb. But I'm pretty excited. We're gonna go hop in the train in a minute and go somewhere else, I think. So that should be pretty exciting. So pretty much how to end this thing. You gotta download a quick little Byrne app. Pretty sweet, pretty super easy. Cost me $3 for like 11 minutes, I think, or something. So pretty nice deal right there. Now I'm gonna go buzz into my aunt's apartment real quick, somewhere up here. It's pretty nice in there. And the buzz is in, I already forgot. I think it's over here. What is that? Oh, I got a sticker. Okay, so now I'm with the buzzer thing. No idea, I think it's 600. Hello? How you do this? Hello? Sarah? Please? Cold. Lonely out here on the streets. Just by myself, my own 2 feet. Can't get light in the building. I don't know what to do. Spare change. Oh, that's a nice Porsche. I know you guys seen that. Try McTape.
It's the way that I invest. Know what for a 1K, what you getting from a desk. Trying to stack for a 1K off of doing this. By the time next year's up, talking nothing less. Remember renting fairgrounds for a show. Remember stressing I was venting on these hoes. Remember home, never feeling like home. Now it's props everywhere I go, it's out of my control. Hit my home newspaper up, they ain't even give a fuck. I'm the biggest out of town, watch a year, switch them up. I won't answer any calls, I don't need to love it all. I did it all on my own, you're the ones who took the loss. Homemade studio, self-made hype. I got 10 damn albums cause my team's so tight. And my team's worldwide and my fans are too. Gorilla with the promo, sticking like Gorilla Glue. Switch the flow up for the track, put the world on my back. I'ma go and see the world, then I'll bring it all back. When I'm straight with the cash, we can do it all again. Call it second world tour, bringing baby girl down.
I've been drinking, I've been smoking, trying to forget you. I've been thinking every moment since the day I met you. I can't let it go right now. Why you gotta go right now? Yeah, can't let it go right now. Why you gotta go right now? Why you gotta go right now? Why you gotta go right now? Why you gotta go right now?
Just got on the new train that goes around Detroit. I'm about to go on a campus marches and look at the nice Christmas tree. Now we're driving around.
Why you gotta go right now? Why you gotta go? Why you gotta go right now?
Haven't been home with the fam 9 months. Lyrics in my songs, how my mother's keeping up. Phone call, Thanksgiving, no I see them in a month. No, I'm out here in the city, I'm just trying to keep in touch. They have for me from the jump. No, they got a lot of flack, cause their son put a whole lot of faith in his path. Falling on the daughter's success, pay him back. Know my parents proud of me, mom bragging real fast. I'm everything I wanted. Can't crash now. Front page, kill stage, I'm the man now. New place, same